This is The Element Journey of Silver by Chris Giglietti and Jeremy Jordan. Silver is one of the most valuable metals. It starts its journey deep underground where lead and zinc ores are mined in search of this precious metal. Once extracted, the ore is analyzed for its silver content to separate silver from the raw material. They use nitric acid. Silver is unique. It's one of the only metals in the ore that dissolves in nitric acid, allowing us to filter out impurities.
Once purified, we add the silver participant crystals, which cause the silver to solidify into a crystallized form. After washing away any excess acid and fluids, we're left with pure silver crystals, which are ready to be melted down into liquid silver. Here we have from raw ore to refined silver. This process transforms a natural mineral into one of the most versatile metals on Earth. Using a controlled lab environment, we perform a process called parting. This is a chemical process where silver reacts with the form of zinc to form a silver nitrate. However, it's important to be cautious as this chemical reaction releases nitrogen dioxide gas, which is harmful to the body and must be used during a fume hood for safety.
Silver's ability to reflect light makes it the metal of choice for high-quality mirrors, bringing clarity and brightness to any space. But its usefulness doesn't stop there. In dentistry, silver strengthens dental fillings and increases their durabilities.
In electronics, silver is unmatched in conductivity, making it essential for electrical contacts, batteries, and even printed circuits around the world. But what happens to silver after it's being used? That's where a process called smelting comes in. By applying high heat forces, we can reclaim silver from old jewelry, coins, and electronics, melting it down for recycled use. Recycling silver isn't new, and is actually a crucial process that keeps valuable metal in circulation.
Proper disposal of silver waste is essential. The leftover silver sludge must be sent to reclamation factories to prevent hazardous waste. Silver has historically shaped the economies of the regions where it is found. From ancient trade routes to modern-day industries, this precious metal has driven wealth and industry expansions. In colony Latin America, the legendary silver mines of present-day Bolivia became the backbone of the Spanish economy, fueling global trade and wealth across the ocean. In the United States, silver rushes in places like Nevada indicate economic booms, bring waves of settlers, creating jobs and building new. From deep underground to high technology industries, silver's journey is nothing short of remarkable. Whether in a mirror, a dental filling, or on a circuit board, this metal continues to shine, literally and figuratively.
It's now time for 3 fun facts about silver. So, fun fact, silver is the most reflective metal that currently is known to exist. It reflects an impressive 95% of visible light, and therefore the reason why silver is chosen material for creating lenses for telescopes, microscopes, and producing solar panels. Silver's ancient discovery, known as silver, is one of the first 5 metals to ever be discovered in human history, as dating far back to 4000 BC, being used in objects like cook and jewelry material. Silver also was the first metal to be used in currency, as dating back to ancient Egypt. It was considered more valuable than gold at the time. And lastly, silver has the highest thermal conductivity of any metal. It's the best electric conductor and is used as a control standard for any other conductors being used. Essentially, meaning silver is the role model for any other less conductive metals. On a scale of 1 to 100 grading electrical conductivity, silver ranks 100 compared to copper, which ranks 97, and gold as 76. To close off our second game, we have 2 truths and a lie. Our first one is silver is the most reflective metal, making it ideal for mirrors and high-quality telescopes. Our second one is pure silver is harder than gold, which is why it is commonly used in silver jewelry without being alloyed. And lastly, silver has a natural antibacterial properties, which is why it has been used in medicine and food preservation for years.